Alright, today we're going to talk about order of operations, and you probably have heard of this before, and I use Pemdas like a lot of other teachers. I just write it slightly different. So P stands for parentheses, E for exponents, and then we have multiplication and division from left to right, meaning multiplication doesn't come before division. You just work multiplication division from left to right. And then addition and subtraction is the same thing. One doesn't come before the other, you just work them from left to right, just like you read a book. Alright, so let's start working a problem. So let's say we have 4 cubed minus 5 times 2 plus 6. So we have no parentheses, so the P's done. We have an exponent, which is 4 to the third, which means 4 times 4, which is 16, and then 16 times 4, which is 64. So now we have 64 minus 5 times 2 plus 6. So we've taken care of our exponents. Now we do multiplication left to right. So the only thing I have multiplication or division is 5 times 2, which is 10. So now I have 64 minus 10 plus 6. So then I work addition and subtraction left to right. So the first thing I see is subtraction. So 64 minus 10 is 54 plus 6. And then 54 plus 6 is 60. Okay, we've got another example here. 4 times 10 minus 3 squared plus 12 divided by 4. So first is parentheses. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So now I have 4 times 7 squared plus 12 divided by 4. So taking care of parentheses, next is exponents. 7 squared is 49. So now I got 4 times 49 plus 12 divided by 4. So I've taken care of exponents. Next, multiplication division, left to right. So I need to do 4 times 49. So 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19. So that's 196. Plus 12 divided by 4. Next I do my division. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I get 196 plus 3 for a final answer of 199. Alright, so now we're given P equals 8, and our expression is P plus parentheses P plus 2Q divided by 4 in parentheses times 6. So we need to substitute in that 8 everywhere we see a P. So now it's going to be 8 plus parentheses 8 plus 2 cubed divided by 4 times 6. So our first step is the parentheses, but within the parentheses I still have to follow my order of operations. So there's no parentheses within parentheses, so I'm going to start with my exponents. So 2 to the third power means 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, which is 8. So now I have 8 plus 8 divided by 4 inside my parentheses. And on the outside I have 8 plus and times 6. So now in my parentheses I have addition and division. Well, division comes before addition, so I'm going to do 8 divided by 4, which is 2. So still within my parentheses I have 8 plus 2. And on the outside I have 8 plus and times 6. Still working my parentheses, I need to do the 8 plus 2, which is 10. So now I have 8 plus 10 times 6. So I've taken care of my parentheses, I've done my exponents. Now I do my multiplication and division. I only have one left, which is 10 times 6, which is 60. So then I get 8 plus 60, which is 68. So I have finished that problem. Alright, one more example. I have 12 divided by the square root of 16 times 2 minus 3. So there's no parentheses. So I do have an exponent here because square roots are considered exponents. So I need to do the square root first. So the square root of 16 is 4 times 4, which is 4. So now I have 12 divided by 4 times 2 minus 3. So now I do my multiplication and division left to right. First thing that comes up is 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So now I have 3 times 2 minus 3. Do my multiplication now. 3 times 2 is 6. So I have 6 minus 3 And then my addition and subtraction, all I have left is 6 minus 3, which is 3.